Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and it is time to find out the 2 winners of my November 2025 Channel Member Challenge. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I get together with interested die cut and paper trimmer level members for a channel member live. Many times, there is a fun little challenge and a chance to win a prize. In November, we got together for a mystery card, and because I had to skip October, this month I will actually be giving out 2 prizes to 2 different channel members. Today, I'll be sharing a look at the cards they created, showing you the 2 prizes they could enter for, and then announcing the 2 lucky winners. During the mystery card lives, I give members instructions how to put together a card using previous cutting dimensions I had given them. It's not much of a mystery anymore, but we are just making the upcoming sheet load of cards. So in front of me is a look at some of the pattern papers I used for my card that evening. I had already sent those out to channel members, so I finished using the scraps to put these 4 together, and then I have 4 cards all ready for next year's holiday season. Now that you've seen the cards I have made, let's go ahead and take a look at what my channel members created. Weren't those so fun to see? Thank you to everybody who took the time to play along. Now, before I share a look at the prizes that they can win, I do have a little announcement to share. If you are a die cut or paper trimmer level member and you would like a challenge, the December 2025 Channel Member Live will be taking place on Tuesday, December 30th at 6:30 p.m. We will be doing an Oh So Inspired Live Channel Member Edition, so make sure to set a reminder to join us. I will have a link to this video down in the description box below. You can join us over on Zoom on camera or watch the stream on YouTube. I hope to see you at the next Channel Member Live. If you're not already a member, you can click on the join button below this video to get more information on the perks. The Channel Member live stream is a perk of being die cut and paper trimmer level members. Any consideration of joining is much appreciated. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what they entered to win for November. In front of me are the two prizes that members could enter to win. On the left is the Teresa's One and Done Sentiments die from Not Too Shabby, which does coordinate with the December 2025 sheet load. And over on the right is the little Wrecking Ball gnome from Woodware Stamps. That's not what it's called. It is actually Fun Time Gnome, but it just reminds me of Miley Cyrus's I Came in Like a Wrecking Ball. Because the cutting guide and instruction for the mystery card did yield 2 cards, members could choose to make 1 card and then enter to win one of the prizes of their choice, or they could send in a photo of both cards and be entered into the giveaway for each of the prizes. Now let's find out who those 2 lucky winners are. To pick today's winners, I am using the Wheel of Names website, and I'm going to start by choosing the winner of Teresa's One and Done die. So I put all of the interested members into the wheel, and congratulations to Jackie B. Now I'll pick a winner for the Wrecking Ball Gnome or the Fun Time Gnome stamp set, and I did remove Jackie B's name from this list before picking a winner since she already won a prize, and congratulations goes to Karen C. Congratulations, and thank you again to everyone who took the time to enter. For my 2 winners, I will be reaching out shortly via email to confirm your address, and then I will get your prizes shipped out. Thanks for taking the time to watch today's video, and until the next one, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Hey crafty friends, it is Editing Alicia here, and I have a special surprise for you. If you have been joining me for my Crafty Advent Live 2025 series, I have a bonus secret word. Now remember, these are secret words, so don't give it away in the comments, either what the word is or the fact that I have a hidden one in this video. So get out that secret word tracker, and down in the bonus section, add the word challenge, CHALLENGE, and I hope to see you to finish out the rest of the 2025 series. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.